Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart. Today we're going to explore the MEXC platform and show you how to maximize your benefits using a MEXC referral code. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more crypto tips and tutorials. So, what is MEXC and why should you consider using it? MEXC is a leading cryptocurrency exchange that offers a variety of trading options, including spot trading, futures trading, and margin trading. It's known for its user-friendly interface, competitive fees, and a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the MEXC referral code to receive great bonuses as a new user. Let's start with the basics of the MEXC platform. This will be your go-to guide, the MEXC Platform Guide. To begin, head over to the MEXC website or download the MEXC app. Click on the Sign Up button to create your account. During the sign-up process, be sure to use our exclusive MEXC referral code to claim your bonus. This referral code unlocks special sign-up rewards that are not available otherwise. Now let's talk about the bonuses. By using a MEXC referral code, you can get a fantastic bonus for new users. These bonuses often include trading fee discounts, cashback on trades, or even free crypto. It's a great way to kickstart your trading journey on MEXC. But the benefits don't stop there. MEXC regularly offers various promotions and bonuses to its users, so keep an eye on their announcements to maximize your rewards. This makes MEXC not just a trading platform, but a rewarding experience for both beginners and seasoned traders. Next, let's go through a quick MEXC tutorial for beginners. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you can see an overview of the market, your portfolio, and various trading options. To start trading, you can choose between spot trading, futures trading, or even margin trading if you want to leverage your positions for higher potential gains. Simply click on the trading option you're interested in, and you'll be taken to the respective trading interface. For spot trading, select the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade. Enter the amount and choose between a market or limit order. Confirm your trade and you're done. It's that simple. For futures trading, you'll need to understand leverage and margin. But don't worry, MEXC has plenty of resources to help you get started. Margin trading on MEXC allows you to borrow funds to trade larger positions, which can amplify your profits. However, it also comes with higher risks, so it's important to educate yourself thoroughly before diving in. MEXC provides detailed guides and tutorials to help you learn the ropes. Now let's dive deeper into some of the key features of the MEXC platform. One standout feature is the user-friendly interface. Whether you're accessing MEXC from your computer or mobile device, you'll find it easy to navigate and use. Another great feature is the wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. MEXC supports a large number of coins and tokens, giving you plenty of options for trading and investing. Additionally, MEXC offers competitive trading fees, which means more of your money stays in your pocket. Security is also a top priority for MEXC. The platform employs advanced security measures to protect your assets and personal information. This includes two-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of funds, and regular security audits. So, to recap, using a MEXC referral code during sign-up can unlock amazing bonuses and rewards. Make sure to take advantage of these to maximize your trading experience. The MEXC platform is incredibly user-friendly and offers various trading options to suit your needs, whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced trader. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more tutorials and crypto insights. Use the MEXC referral code in the description below to get your exclusive sign-up bonus and start trading today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.